Hi everyone and what's up guys, and in this video we will talk about the mathematical operation between the variable values. So for that we are going to our first script and we see that we still have these variables that we have represented in the video about the data types and variables, of course. So we can do much more with our variable values. So instead of just printing them in the console, we can use the mathematical operation between them. So I will put here debug.log function. As we know, debug.log just concatenate our variable values with the console. So for example, if we put here number plus number decimal, so you can imagine what is going to happen now in our console. So we can add one into another variable, we can subtract them, we can multiply them, and we can divide them, of course. So if I save this and go back to Unity and run the game, and we see that our console prints 8.2. So why? Well, because 5 plus 3.2 is 8.2. So you can imagine this is actually the lessons for kids, but in this video we are just going to tell that we can do much more with our variables with this operation. So I'm not going to test the minus, multiply and dividing between these variables because I'm not going to bore you, but you get the point. And also in this video I will just, for reminding purposes, going to create the method and give the name of the method, which is going to be, I don't know, again computer. So I don't know why, but I like this name. So computer. Oh, I have spelling problems here sometime. So computer and parentheses, open curly brackets, and as we know from the previous video, we create our own method, and I will pass now this debug.log function. So just to copy and paste it and pass there in our computer method. And now if we try to save this, so save this, go back to Unity and again run the game, we see that our console doesn't print anything. Why? Well, because if you remember, in order to our own method works, we need to call it somewhere, and we need to call our method in order to he can work fine, yeah. And calling there in the start method, and we also explained what is the start method, what is the update. Call the computer method in the start method, save this, go back to Unity, and if we now run the game, we see that now our method, which we have created on our own, works very fine. So it's print the sum of our two numbers. So I will clear the console, and I think this is enough for this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you have some question about this video and about any other video, you can put that in comments and I will answer as quickly as I can. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.